Hey everybody, this is Harper. I'm doing a cut test with my Benchmade 615 Mini-Rukus. Alright, first off we got some phone book paper. See how she'll do. This is the factory edge besides the, ooh, wow, look at that. Look at that. This is the factory edge on the S30V blade. And besides, I have shaved with it. I did shave with it on my face and my arm. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, ripping a little bit right there. That is looking so good. Oh, ripped. Yep, that's the phone book paper. That is looking so good. Beautiful. That is really a really good factory edge. Okay, so there's that. Here, I'll do a little bit more. Just a little tiny bit. That factory edge on phone book paper. Man, it's cutting, it's not tearing for the most part. It's great. Now I got some catalog paper. Really good. Ah. Ah. Not a very good cutter, not demonstrating the knife very well. You could say, oh, it's not that great a knife. It's not $180 worth of knife. And you might be right in some ways. If you can keep your $20 knife going really well and keeping it this sharp, good for you. But I do like the fact that it's made in America. I will pay extra for that. I will always pay extra for that. Alright, oh, before we move on to cardboard, pop some Paracord here. Hopefully you can see my little board here with my 550 Paracord on here. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah. It's just missing a couple little strands of that nylon. It's probably because of me. Who knows? See? Chop right through that. Chop right through that paracord. Sharp as can be. Alright, gonna cut up some boxes now. blazing right through those. Watch out! Gonna get cut, cat. Cat in the shot! Cat in the shot! Don't want to get too close and cut my fingers off. And it's bent up here. Gotta help it out a little bit. Just gliding right through that cardboard. Let's test the edge. See how she's doing. Still, wait. Just cut this a bit more. Blazing right through there. Test her out on some of this. Still cutting that phone book paper. Contour is really comfortable so far. About the contour of the handle. Just blazing right through that cardboard. Alright, let's do this 2x2 before we get out of time. See how well she gets through this 2x2. This S30B blade. Now you can feel the handle. Yeah, handle's not so comfortable now. But it's cutting really well. Yeah. You can feel that in the web of your hand. She's doing a pretty good job. Yeah. Gosh. I think this is pine. I'm not sure. It might not be pine. Anyway. She's doing a pretty good job there. Making pretty short work out of this 2x2. Yeah. I think my T-Sec, my Benchmade 805 T-Sec was a lot more comfortable, but I was wearing gloves with, wait. I don't think I was wearing gloves with my knife hand. That one was more comfortable. So it's not as comfortable with this. But you might be able to control it better on fine cutting. Come on. I've been so excited to test this knife. I've been waiting to test this knife and putting it off. But now I can use it as my regular everyday knife. If I can't make it all the way through this 2x2 for this video. Well, got myself with the tip. Don't try this at home. Task better suited for a bigger knife, goes to show. He's got a knot in there. Well, made it pretty close. Through this 2x2. Oh, broke it on my belly. Anyway, there you go. Pretty good factory edge. Pop some paracord. Show you how it's kept its edge through that wood right there. Oh, still popping paracord. Doing a great job. After cutting through that whole 2x2. It's pretty good job. There you go. Benchmade 615 Mini-Rukus. Thanks for watching.